In this video, we will examine the main source of the
coronavirus disease 2019.
The coronavirus.
Coronaviruses are a type of virus.
And as always, it seems to came from something we ate. But the bat's cooking lovers do not flinch as long as they served everything with coconut cream. Is that so? We will try to find out next. So take off your masks, ring the bell and subscribe to this channel. We are starting right now. Scientists suspect that the source for the coronavirus is the bats in the market of Wuhan, China. And one of the first reports came from there.
A Chinese woman eating a whole bat at a fancy restaurant has gone viral as China and other countries in the world are trying to contain the spread of the Wuhan virus, codenamed 2019 nCoV.
In Wuhan, China. It's believed that the virus may have originated from a market in the city where people can buy an assortment of wild game meat.
It's the big fruit bats. For SARS and MERS, and this one, it's smaller insect-eating bats.
That the virus that was in bats jumped to a mammal and then from mammals to humans. And all of this happened in this one particular market. Series of cases in Wuhan of a pneumonia-like illness were from that particular market in Wuhan, where there were these live animals being sold. Been exposed before, that's exposed humans before, from bats.
Found in the past very similar viruses in bat population. So we believe that this one is also originally coming from bats. But viruses don't jump directly from bats to human.
Bat stew is a traditional dish for the Minhansi people in North Sulawesi, Indonesia. It is customary to serve them as a kind of a curry dish. To make the dish, they use the entire bat, including the head and the wings. The traditional Indonesian basic dish starts with bat pieces on the wok, lots of herbs, lots of local spices, and to the final, coconut cream.
Our bats are ready to hit the wok. Though it's no surprise that when I visited one of North Sulawesi's biggest markets, they were selling hundreds of bats to eager locals.
If you cook meat, you're going to destroy viruses like coronavirus. Either handling the animals or handling the meat or preparing the meat would certainly put you at risk.
Do we stop eating chickens? No. Just stigmatizing a traditional practice or someone's food doesn't help the cause. It's wrong. You got to understand the science and explain it to them.
But here, they're where people go and buy their produce, their fruits, their vegetables, their meat, their eggs, almost everything. They're quite popular. Some of them are more exotic. They sell live animals, live wildlife, and particularly game that you wouldn't normally see in a supermarket anywhere else.
Okay, but maybe it's like broccoli. They eat it, but only because they have to. What's your favorite part of the bat?
Malo here, she like the Thai. She like it's delicious.
Delicious.
And that is the reason I remind you again to subscribe this channel and get the best foodie videos to your main screen. Stay healthy, respect the earth, and see you on the next.